Do dirty work like Robin. Finny flip flops, I'm styling.
This is from 1883.
Just basically wanted to add this in there. We took videos in the cave off of I-20. We took videos at Alpine Lake, got some golf shots, and we got some shots at the house that day. All those shots were lost accidentally. The day after, we went to make another video rafting. A friend of ours actually dropped the GoPro in the water. And the GoPro that he dropped had the SD card with the West Virginia video on it. So most of the footage from the first day or two was lost. All we have is from mid-day 2 to day 3 out. I think the video is still really good, and I'm making the best out of what we can. I downloaded a couple videos the night before we went rafting, thank God. To Venture Hub, baby. You know it's your boy Ant-Man.
Your boy Gliss.
I said I smell some cooking in here, Doug. Ooh, that's a plate. You know that's his plate, he got the pepper.
Yeah. Every day's Thanksgiving.
Yes, sir. Last night, around 2:30, me and Glizzy started hearing some things, and I wasn't gonna do this, but so the house that we're staying in is actually haunted. The reason I wasn't gonna say anything is because I don't see it as a big deal, and normally things don't happen to me when I stay here. We both started feeling weird, like we just were getting this vibe where it was real uneasy, and the whole woods on the left side of the house started shaking. All the trees started moving, everything started going haywire. We ended up checking the cameras. This was an ongoing thing like throughout the past couple months where stuff had been happening, and my dad had been sending me pictures on Facebook and Messenger like, oh look, this is a new thing that I got on the camera, new ghost, blase blah. I really didn't see a point to do anything with it, and I'm really not scared of ghosts, so we're seeing some crazy things. And I started scrolling through some old messages, and two of them in particular, which I'm gonna show you at some point throughout the end of this video. But the reason that we wanted to do this was because, like I said, it's super muggy out, and I don't really want to go to the falls and be miserable. Today we're gonna do a haunted house review at my dad's, so hope you're ready for it. I know I'm not. Mind you, the videos that we just played are from at least 2 to 5 months ago. Most of them were around the winter time.
Yeah. It's right here. Right here's where the chair was. And it was...
We're gonna keep the camera rolling from here on out. We thought we heard a noise outside. Picked up the camera. It's on 11%. So we're gonna cut it right here just in case something else happens throughout the night. We got a little battery left to catch it. We're gonna go lights off. We'll try to see if we can come in contact with anything. Oh my god, yo. Holy fuck.
What, dummy?
I just seen something move, bro. It's pretty good.
Oh shit, dummy.
I'm done. There's something outside right now. I swear to God, yeah. We're going no TV, no reflection. We're trying to figure out what just happened on the porch. Now mind you, this is the same spot where we seen that guy in the pictures. And out front is the same spot that we seen the guy walking out front of the cars. So I hope you guys enjoyed them clips that we played earlier in the video. Like I said, we're gonna stay up and try to catch some more stuff for you just in case something does happen. We'll keep you updated. And we also have a big surprise stop for you tomorrow on the way home. So stay tuned. We thought that was gonna happen last night and we only had one scare. Just wanna say something real quick. I wanna dedicate this whole video to my dad, man. So this video goes out to my dad, man. Shout out my dad in West Virginia. I'm gonna show you the cut in the mountain and we're gonna call this video a wrap.
Alright. So, what's up, Adventure Hub? Got out of that scary, haunted place we were at out in West Virginia. Me and Gavin talking about how I'm gonna come through swerving. Some super fast car built by Dodge.
For that bag, shit get hectic. Grab a strap before you get a necklace. Keep that fuck shit out my direction. You will get hit with no second guess. I'm just kicking shit like it's taking.
For my entire life, I've chosen to fight for no one but myself. My dedication and my study of the sword was for no one but myself. Until now.
This is the last lesson I have to teach you. It is the only means in which to kill your opponent. When you have
I'm at Sidling Hill in Maryland. We're on our way home from West Virginia right now. Just recorded a nice video for everybody. It was really good to see my dad. I haven't seen him in a little bit. It's always good to see family. I love family, love positivity, I love creativity. You know, keep the negativity away from me. Positive thoughts, positive mindset. It brings all good things into your life. No negativity, you know. As long as you don't think negative things won't come to you, man. And I mean that wholeheartedly. As long as you know you can get through any situation deep down, I promise you can get through it with ease. It ain't nothing. Break through the struggle. Barrier's meant to be broken down. It's not meant to be permanent. This is the last place we wanted to stop for y'all, and I honestly think this is the best place to do the outro anyway. So I'm up here by myself. Glizzy hasn't made it up yet. It's your boy Ant-Man. I need you to give this video a like, comment, subscribe. Adventure Hub, we're growing fast. Please share it with friends and family. You know, I really appreciate the support. And hey, soon, man, 10K, road to 10K. One of a Kind Customs and Adventure Hub are doing a collaboration that we're gonna tell you more about in the next video. We're gonna explain it. But be looking on the Instagram and the YouTube for this collaboration. It's gonna be big, guys. Like I said, I love you, Adventure Hub family. This video was really fun. We're gonna try to bring you a video a week, so I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
Where the fuck are your glasses, bro?
Oh, yeah, those things. They're in the fucking Pacific Ocean!